Welcome to Potolo. Setting up your business on our platform is simple. Let's get started. Start by clicking Become a Partner on our website or within the user application. Enter your business phone number. Verify your identity with the one-time password sent via SMS or WhatsApp. Select your service, vendor, or store manager. Select Desired Service and click on Complete Vendor Profile. Your account is now active. The next crucial step is to complete your business profile. Enter your complete business details here: legal name, address, a compelling description, and upload your required documents. Congratulations! Your business is now live on the platform. You can begin managing orders from your dashboard. Need help? Visit our support center or contact our dedicated partner team.